So I'm just going to show you a little video on how to make these cute little bows with halo gel polish. Super duper easy. So I've got a little bit of the foam paper, so your foams come on top of these. I've just cut a little bit off. So what I'm going to do is apply a little bit of base coat first, and I'm going to make like a square shape. So you can do these any size you want in any colour. I'm just going to make this a little bit bigger so that it's easier for you to see. Just make that into a nice square. So it's on there. I'm going to pop that in the lamp for 30 seconds. So after that's been in the lamp, I'm going to use Bikini Pink from the new collection. And I'm just going to paint straight over my base coat exactly the same. So remember, if you put your gel polish on too thick, it will ripple in the lamp. So we'll do 2 coats. So that's 1 coat. I'm going to pop that in the lamp for 30 seconds. So I've popped 2 coats on there. Then I'm going to go over the top with my non-white top coat. And then we're going to pop this back in the lamp for 30 seconds. So once that's cured, you'll be able to just peel it off your foam backing paper. And then we're just going to neaten this little square up. So I'm just going to cut off these little jaggedy edges around the side. Just like so. So this is the top coat area. So with the top coat being on the top, I'm just going to fold this in half backwards. So this is where it gets a little bit fiddly, so I'm trying to make the corners meet underneath. And just get that nice and tight. And to keep that down, I've got some old tweezers and I'm just going to nip this together just to keep it in place. You just squash it down a little bit. So now I need to fold this corner and this corner up. They're a little fiddly, but they do look really good. You could prepare these as well for your clients before they even come in. So fold that side up. And then do the same on the other side. And then I'm going to do the same and just nip these together a little bit just to help keep it in shape. So once I'm happy with that, I'm going to use my Halo EasiBuild in clear. And what I'm going to do is take my tweezers underneath and just nip it together right in the middle. Like so. And I'm going to just take a little bit of EasiBuild and just pop that right in the middle. To keep that together, and I'm going to pop that in the lamp for 30 seconds. So this has been in the lamp. So when I'm popping it inside the lamp, I'm just trying to keep it up on an angle as well, just to keep the EasiBuild right there. So I'm going to take off my tweezers and I'm going to turn this over and do exactly the same on the other side. So right in the middle, taking a bit of EasiBuild and just popping a little ball in the middle, and I'm going to pop that back in the lamp for 30 seconds. So let's come out the lamp. I'll just take my tweezers off and then I'm just going to fan them little sides out. And we have a cute little bow. So you could even pop a little gem on the top and pop this on your client's nail using some polybuild and on my top coat or a little bit of acrylic.